Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a bank account with Wells Fargo step by step clearly. To register for a bank account with Wells Fargo, begin by visiting the official Wells Fargo website. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says Open an Account. Click on that option to proceed. You will be directed to a page where you can select the type of account you wish to open. Options may include checking accounts, savings accounts, or other financial products. Choose the account type that best suits your needs. After selecting your account type, click on Continue or Apply Now. You will be prompted to provide personal information. Enter your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Next, input your contact information, including your address and phone number. Make sure all information is entered accurately to avoid any issues later. You may then be asked to provide employment and income information. Fill in the required fields on this page. Once you have completed this section, review your information thoroughly. After confirming that all details are correct, click Continue. Next, you will need to create login credentials for your online banking. Choose a username and password that you can easily remember. Make sure your password meets the security requirements specified on the page. Once done, click Continue to move forward. The next step is to fund your new account. You will have options to deposit money via electronic transfer, a check, or cash. Select your preferred funding method and follow the on-screen instructions. After funding your new account, you may be given the option to order a debit card. If you wish to proceed, select Yes and provide any necessary details. Once everything is complete, review the terms and conditions presented to you. If you agree, check the box and click Submit. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation message. Keep an eye on your email for further instructions or updates regarding your account. After processing, you can start using your Wells Fargo bank account. Make sure to log into your online banking to explore your new account features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.